Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you everybody for stopping by. Today we're going to talk about Armani code Profumo. If you have this Armani code from 2004, be real cool and just give it away to one of your friends or grandfathers or old uncles or something. It's time to let go and receive the new fresh edition, okay? This is from 2004. Back then, it was exciting, it was awesome. But now we have something more exciting and awesome. Armani code Profumo. The Armani code Profumo is a sweet scent at first. It definitely smells like Paco Rabanne 1 million. It performs for 10 hours. It gets you lots of compliments. It projects like a beast. This is a beast fragrance. Very classy, very sophisticated. A high-end reformulation of Armani code called Profumo. Armani code, boring. Armani code Profumo, exciting. Michelle, can you tell us what you think of this Armani code Profumo for men?
Let's see. Oh. It smells like date material.
Dating material. Oh, so
yes.
Good for date night?
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Do you think it's a adult, like an old man fragrance or a young guy fragrance?
I say middle age.
Middle
You definitely
age?
get a second date.
So
Definitely second date.
on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give this?
I give this a 9.5.
She gives it a 9.5 for Armani
9.5.
code Profumo.
Maybe a 10. Maybe I just don't want to say 10, but I'll give it a 10.
So you
It smells
think
pretty good. I might wear it myself.
you think it's sexy?
Yes, it's very sexy.
Okay.
Very sexy.
All right.
More classy.